Good morning to all of you. In this video, we will learn how to make online quiz using Google Form. First of all, you have to sign in your Gmail account. So click on Google Chrome, sign in your account, enter your password, click on next. Then click on Google Apps symbol at right corner of your screen, which appear in 9 dots. Here many options are available. Just click on Google Drive option. Then click on plus symbol, color plus symbol. Then click on more button, more option, then Google Form, and then blank. Then untitled form will appear. You can rename the form as per your convenience. Here, for example, I rename online quiz on computer awareness. Description is optional, but you can enter like it is mandatory to all students. All questions are compulsory. Okay. In this way, you can enter your information in description form. In this form, collect the information from the students like email address, full name of the students, contact number, course or class, and subject. Here email address, next is full name. Surname first. Then student can enter here his or name, his or her name. For that, you select short answer. There are so many options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, and so many. Here I select short answer. Answer is required. Here we can add next field by using add question. Next field is contact number. Contact number is numeric. Again short answer, required, next field, course or class. Here again we select drop down list and I enter course. Here you can select multiple choice options, but here I select only drop down and I enter only one option. Again answer is required. Next is subject. Option is again drop down option and computer science. Answer is required. In this way, we collect the personal information of the students for our record. Now, we can add one by one questions, quiz question by using add section, another section. You can rename the section. Now we can add here one by one question. Here we enter only 5 questions. You can enter 10 questions, 9 questions as per your requirements. First question is, who is the author of computer? Now options. You have here multiple choice options. Select options. I already prepared question bank, and copy this and paste here, or you can type one by one option here. Now answer is required, then you have to select correct answer, so that you can click on make this quiz, save. Now click on answer key. Here you can, who is the father of computer? Correct answer is Charles Babbage, and point is 2. Done. In this way you can add one by one question. Now second question, options are if question bank are ready, then you can design quiz immediately. Again answer is correct answer is from 8000 and points 2. Okay. Now next question, copy and paste. Similarly options, Control C and Control V. Again answer is required, and you can click here correct answer. Main circuit board in a computer is motherboard, and points dotted 2. Done. Next question, just copy Control C and Control V. Similarly options, Control C and here Control V. Again answer is required. Answer key, which of the following is not valid domain name? Valid domain, invalid domain name, that is not valid. The correct answer is C. Again point 2. Done. Similarly next question, Control C and Control V, and options are which is the most common language used in web design? The correct answer is HTML. The answer is required. Answer DHTML. Okay. In this way, you can enter one by one question as per your requirements. After finishing question, you can change your theme by using preview button. Sorry. Customize theme. Here I am select orange one. And then setting. Now here collect email address, response receipt. No, I am not giving response receipt to the students here. Limit to one response. Here student can enter solve with at only one time. Student can edit after submit. No. See summary, chart and text responses. No. Again. Presentation, show progress bar. Okay. Confirmation message, your response. Type here your response has been recorded successfully. Quizzes, click on quizzes. Here I am not showing the grade of this quiz to the students, so that click on later after manual review. Student can see only missed question, not correct answer and not point value. Okay, save. Now quiz is ready. Now create link. Click on send. Click on this icon. The link is available. You can make it short by using shorten URL. Then copy it and store somewhere. For example, here. Okay. Close. And responses stored here. You can view the responses of the students by using this response. Click Google Sheet. Create Google Sheet. Create just like Excel. Google Sheet will be a spreadsheet will be here opening the spreadsheet. When students attempt the quiz, then the responses recorded here one by one. For example, for testing, we I open a new tab and click here link and just enter. The quiz will start. Here I am entering my email address, name, full name, surname first. For example, Keche, okay. Then contact number, this enter. Course select, this is M3. Again subject computer science. Next, actual quiz will start. Computer. Who is the father of computer? I know this answer. What is the name of supercomputer of India? Around 8,000. Here I will I select wrong option. Main circuit board in a computer, motherboard. Here I select again wrong correct answer. C option. Fifth is HTML. Submit. After clicking on submit, your response has been recorded. This message will appear. Okay. In this way, students' responses can collect in the spreadsheet. Here you can see our response. I got 6 marks out of 8. I think I enter how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Points not. In this way, here. In this way, you can collect responses from the students. Thank you.